Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find Recorder app and click on it. Now click on this red button to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to delete your recording right away, you can do that by clicking on delete on the left and choosing OK in the pop-up. If you wish to end it and save it though, you need to stop it, tap on Done at the bottom right corner. And as you can see, my recording is over here. You can rename it by holding it and clicking on this little icon over here. Then choose rename and type wherever you wish to. Click on save, and in order to get rid of your recording, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select delete, tap on the chosen recording and save your changes by tapping on the top right corner. Then click on OK in this pop-up, and as you can see, my voice recording is gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!